How to change Siri name on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. With upgrade to iOS 18, now you are able to change name of Siri. Let's dive in. Launch your settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of accessibility. Here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under speech, you will find the option of vocal shortcuts. Click on that option. Now click on the option set up vocal shortcuts. Set up vocal shortcuts. You'll choose an action and record a phrase in order to teach your iPhone to recognize your voice. Click on continue. Now here you're gonna find a list of options. Select the option Siri. Now go ahead and type in the name for your Siri. I'm gonna give it as official help desk. After you type in, you'll need to click on done. Now spell out the Siri's name for 3 times. Once you have spelled out that word, your action will be ready. Click on continue. Now whenever you spell out this word, Siri will be enabled. So this way you can easily change Siri's name on iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.